video, I'm going to show you how to easily sign out, log out of the YouTube application. Go into your YouTube application, as you can see right here. And then what you want to do is click your avatar on the top right-hand side. Make sure that you are in the correct channel that you want to log out of. If you have one YouTube channel, that is not a problem. Go ahead and click here I can choose the account that I want to log out or sign out of YouTube. Let's just say it's this one, Andrea Jean Cleaning. And then if you look here on the bottom, it says use YouTube signed out. You would go ahead and click that. And now, if you look on your avatar on the top right-hand side, it's kind of just this blank picture. If I click on that, it says, do more with YouTube, sign in now. And then you can go ahead and sign in. Let me show you one other little trick. Again, make sure that you are in the YouTube application. Go to your avatar in the top right-hand side. Click on the account, scroll on down. You can see right here, it says manage accounts on this device. I'm gonna go ahead and click that. Now, if I wanted to, I could completely remove this account from this device, or I could add another account. If you wanna delete the YouTube application altogether, just hold down on the YouTube app icon and you can click edit home screen or remove app. If I click edit home screen, you could go ahead and just move your YouTube icon around. Maybe you wanted to put it in a private folder so that you can't access it for a while. And here I put YouTube in my editing application, but it could say something in here like, do not touch, leave these apps alone, whatever the case may be. Click the video on screen now for some additional YouTube tips and tricks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.